up, you guys? It's your girl Adriana Hayes, and I'm back with another video for you guys. So today's video is going to be the 5-minute makeup challenge, and I was like, let's spice it up a little bit. So we also going to do the no mirror challenge as well with that 5-minute makeup challenge. Now I just want to let y'all know that I'm nervous, just a little bit, a lot of it, because I don't know how this is going to turn out, but we're going to go forward with it anyway. So if you want to see how I achieve whatever look I'm finna do, continue to keep watching. Make sure you subscribe, like, and comment. All right, I got 5 minutes on the clock. Y'all, let me take away this mirror. Okay, mirror's gone. I can't see anything. I got 5 minutes over here. I couldn't find my other phone, so we're gonna do 5 minutes on the computer. That's what we got to do when you gotta do what you gotta do. 5 minutes on the clock. Ugh, I'm so nervous. All right, and countdown. 20. No, I'm just kidding. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right, 5 minutes on. As of right now, we're gonna use the Maybelline Fit Me in the shade 330. It's Toffee. God, I don't know where to put this. Okay. 4 minutes 38 seconds. I don't even know where this is at. I can't see nothing. Okay. Oh, I just gotta feel. This is so hard. This is harder than I thought. Okay, we're gonna take our brush. Okay. I hope I'm getting this, because I don't know if I'm getting it or not. But we're gonna do this today. Okay? I ain't even did my brows. I'm so nervous about them because this is when I have to concentrate. And I can't even concentrate because I can't see shit. All right. 3 minutes 40. Okay. I hope that's blended. I don't know. As of right now, it really don't matter. Okay. Brows. Is this it? Okay. So we are going to take the Ka-Brow in the shade number 4. I'm sorry, y'all, if I'm moving too fast. Okay. Okay. You know what? This is what we're gonna do. Oh, Jesus. Okay. No, I really can't see anything. Ain't no telling what they're looking like. 2 minutes 50 seconds. Okay. All right. 2 minutes 30. Okay. Okay. We're gonna take our Fenty Beauty and the Galaxy palette, and we're gonna use, oh, that's a mirror. Not looking, guys, I promise. We're gonna use this brown shade. I promise you I'm not looking. I promise you. You see, I'm not even looking. And we're gonna use whatever brush this is. I'm not looking still, I promise. Is that the shade I said? Oh, Lord. Okay. 1 minute 47. Okay. So this is what we're gonna do. Taking brown. I promise you I'm not looking. I promise you I'm not looking. a minute 33. Close that up. It's closed. You see, it's closed. Okay. Where my eyeliner? Let me see. Minute 18. This is so much harder than I thought. So we're going to take the Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On Pencil. And we're going to, minute and 4. We're going to line the bottom, the water line. Okay. Then, 50 seconds. Then we're going to take the Revlon Ultimate All-in-One. Of course, it's in black. Take this mascara. It's 39 seconds. And we're going to do this right here. I'm not going to even attempt. I think I just got this stuck on my... Okay, 26 seconds. I'm not going to even attempt to... 18. Oh, Okay. Okay, 11, 9, 8. Where my lip gloss? 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time's up. So, okay, let me cut this off. I don't even want to attempt to get the mirror because I know this is trash. But I'm going to get it anyway. Okay. I'm going to put the mirror back up. I'm not looking yet.
Girl.
Oh, okay. Okay. Honey, is that mascara on my lid? Okay. Ooh. All right. Eyeshadow looks good though, but in the eyeliner look alright. Lips is popping, you know, and them baby hairs is on fleek. But as far as this makeup though, we're gonna give it a thumbs down. So yeah, I'm finna go to the bathroom and get this situated. So I hope you guys like this video. Like, comment, subscribe. If you want to see more challenges and more videos, leave it in the comments below. Let me know what you want to see. Yeah, and I'm finna go fix this, okay? Gotta go.